Friends, today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to make the most easiest pudding. तो आज हम बना रहे हैं श्रीखंड जेली स्टीम्ड पुडिंग. फ्रेंड्स, श्रीखंड तो आप सभी खाते हैं. ये टाइम श्रीखंड को अलग तरीके से खाइए. Okay, so for that I've taken 200 grams curd which I had put in a muslin cloth for 4 hours and I kept it in the fridge. See, so much water has come out of it. That's a lot of water. We'll throw this water. What we get is something so creamy. So this is a Shabe Barat special dessert. Ensure that you make it. So this kind of rich cheese you get. So here's the bowl and I'm dropping everything in this. And to this I'm going to add, this is mithai mate. This is 1/4 cup. Then we need some elaichi powder. So elaichi powder I'm adding half teaspoon and some rose water. Optional. आप शामिल करेंगे तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त खुशबू आएगी. Adding 1 teaspoon rose water. Now we have to beat this very well. Total I've taken half cup condensed milk. Now it's perfect. Now let's blend this. Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Assalamu alaikum and namaste. I hope you all are doing super और आपकी दुआ से I am doing super fantastic. I hope अब तक की रेसिपी आप enjoy कर रहे हैं. Stay on this video till the end because the twist is just super amazing and beautiful. और इसे हम एकदम smooth blend कर लेंगे. और आपका श्रीखंड तैयार है. Just decorate with dry fruits and have it with puri. So this is a 2-in-1 recipe. You need to put a liner. Okay, I'll just apply this little ghee and then I'll keep this for steaming. If you want, you can also steam this. If you want, you can steam in glass bowls as well. Okay, so I'm going to steam in this and I'm going to steam one because this is not enough quantity. So to steam this, so 2 ways you can do it. Okay. Here I'm putting a liner because we want to get this out. And for this I'm not putting a liner because I want this to stay in this only. And we are going to steam this for 25 minutes. Okay. Let's pour into this now, the whole thing. For this recipe, you take at least 400 grams curd. This quantity is good for 4 people. Beat it. Now this is ready for steaming. So I've kept a steamer here Friends, extremely sorry, the clip where I was covering the bowl with the silver foil, the clip got messed up. So now in the steamer you'll be seeing that the bowl is already placed inside for steaming. I steamed this for 25 minutes. Okay. Now we'll get this out. See how well this has steamed. Now I'm going to allow this to be in the room temperature good 10 minutes, and then after that I will place this in the fridge. Let's check this. After steaming, this has become really very light. This also has steamed pretty well. We'll allow this to be in room temperature for 10-15 minutes. Then we'll keep this in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. It has cooled down in the fridge. Now what we will do is we will demold this one. Very much important to demold this first. This also has cooled down. Friends, I'm boiling 500 milliliter water here, and this is the jelly I'm going to use. Okay, and to this jelly I'm adding 1 teaspoon rose water. Don't worry about the lumps in this, it automatically melts. So this has loosened from the side. Okay, so turn this. If this doesn't become loose, then keep this in that hot water tub for a minute. So here this has come out. So I'm just going to remove this. Okay, and I'm going to put this back into the tub. Be patient and gentle while doing this. Because on this I'm going to pour the jelly, yes. That's the twist, my dear friends. Now we'll pour the jelly. So friends, this is a very new recipe on the YouTube. Do watch it till the end. Now I'm quickly placing this in the fridge. And the remaining will pour in this. To make amazing Shrikhand jelly tubs. So this also I'm keeping in the fridge. So this I'm going to keep in the fridge because I need this for another recipe. Friends, after 3 hours I've got this out of the fridge. Take any knife and just loosen the sides all around. This step is important, so be very gentle. come out. Okay, and friends, don't mind the way I'm slapping this on the plate. Put it. Little it gets untidy, little, but that's okay. Okay, that can be cleared. Wow, this looks beautiful. Okay, everything is tried and tested. Now you can do lot of decorations you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place the strawberry. थोड़े से तारे तो ये रहा बहुत ही मज़ेदार भापा दोई जेली स्टीम्ड पुडिंग, और यू कैन से श्रीखंड जेली स्टीम्ड पुडिंग, एकदम मेरे स्टाइल में बहुत ही बेहतरीन। और भापा दोई की बहुत सारी स्टीम्ड रेसिपी है, बट ये वाली नहीं है, तो डेफिनेटली आपको ये बनाना है। दिस इज शब्बे बारात स्पेशल, तो शब्बे बारात मुबारक टू ऑल ऑफ यू। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आज के वीडियो में कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक तो बनता है, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। I thank all the new subscribers for giving their support and for watching all my videos. Thank you so much. So do make Shrikhand jelly pudding, a very new recipe on YouTube, very different. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Keep smiling. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.